Histology is a branch of medical science that deals with the study of microscopic structures and tissues in the human body. By examining cells and tissues at a microscopic level, histologists can gain valuable insights into the structure and function of various organs and systems. In this script, we will delve into the intricacies of histology to provide a comprehensive understanding of this fascinating field. Hyaline cartilage is a type of connective tissue commonly found in the body. It is characterized by a smooth, shiny appearance and bluish-white color. Hyaline cartilage provides cushioning and support to structures such as the nose, trachea, and ends of long bones. It consists of chondrocytes, which are the specialized cells of cartilage, and an extracellular matrix composed of collagen fibers and proteoglycans. This combination gives hyaline cartilage its unique properties of flexibility and resistance to compression. To visualize cells and tissues, histologists employ staining techniques. Hematoxylin and eosin, H&E, stain, the most commonly used staining method, imparts different shades of purple and pink to cell nuclei and cytoplasm, respectively. Other stains like periodic acid Schiff, PAS, stain, immunohistochemistry, and special stains help identify specific cellular components or pathological changes in tissues. Microscopy plays a crucial role in histological analysis. Light microscopes use visible light to magnify and visualize samples. They are valuable tools for studying stained tissue sections. Transmission electron microscopes, TEMs, utilize a beam of electrons to produce high-resolution images of ultra-thin tissue sections. Scanning electron microscopes, SEMs, provide a detailed three-dimensional view of specimens by scanning the surface with electrons. Epithelial tissues are classified based on their structure and function. Simple squamous epithelium consists of a single layer of flat cells and is found in air sacs of the lungs and lining of blood vessels. Simple cuboidal and simple columnar epithelia have cube-shaped and column-shaped cells, respectively. They line the kidneys, tubules and the digestive tract, respectively. Stratified squamous epithelium, with multiple layers of flat cells, forms the skin epidermis. Pseudostratified columnar epithelium appears layered due to the varying cell heights and is found in the respiratory tract. Glandular epithelium produces and secretes substances. Exocrine glands, like sweat glands and salivary glands, release their products through ducts. Endocrine glands, such as the thyroid and adrenal glands, secrete hormones directly into the bloodstream. Connective tissues support and connect body parts. Hyaline cartilage, in the trachea and long bone ends, allows smooth joint movement. Fibrocartilage, in intervertebral discs and knee menisci, handles high impact. Elastic cartilage, in the ear and epiglottis, is flexible. Bone, a connective tissue, supports and protects organs. Three types of muscle tissues are skeletal, cardiac, and smooth muscle. Skeletal muscles are responsible for voluntary movements and are attached to bones via tendons. They possess striations, which result from the organization of actin and myosin filaments. Cardiac muscle is found exclusively in the heart and facilitates its rhythmic contractions. It also possesses striations but has intercalated discs, which allow for synchronized contraction. Smooth muscle, found in organs like the digestive tract and blood vessels, lacks striations and enables involuntary movements. Nerve tissues consist of neurons and supporting cells called neuroglia. Neurons transmit electrical signals, enabling communication throughout the body. They possess dendrites, which receive signals, and axons, which transmit signals towards other neurons or effector cells. Neuroglia provide support, nourishment, and insulation to neurons. Nerve tissues are further categorized into the central nervous system, CNS, and peripheral nervous system, PNS. The CNS comprises the brain and spinal cord, while the PNS includes nerves outside the CNS. Lymphoid tissues play a vital role in the immune system. Lymph nodes contain lymphocytes, which help defend against pathogens. The spleen filters the blood and removes damaged red blood cells. The thymus, located behind the sternum, is essential for T lymphocyte maturation. The respiratory system consists of numerous tissues and structures aimed at gas exchange. The trachea, lined with pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium, transports air towards the lungs. Bronchi and bronchioles continue this pathway, eventually leading to alveoli, where gas exchange occurs. Alveoli are lined with simple squamous epithelium, ensuring efficient diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide. The urinary system comprises tissues that filter blood, produce urine, and regulate body fluids. The nephron, the functional unit of the kidney, consists of specialized cells responsible for filtration, reabsorption, and secretion. These processes occur in various segments of the nephron, such as the glomerulus, proximal tubule, loop of Henle, distal tubule, and collecting duct. The digestive system involves the breakdown of food into smaller molecules that can be absorbed by the body. The gastrointestinal tract is composed of several layers, including the inner lining called the mucosa. The mucosa consists of epithelial cells, connective tissue, and layers of smooth muscle. Villi, finger-like projections in the small intestine, increase the surface area for nutrient absorption. The reproductive system encompasses various tissues and structures involved in reproduction. The testes produce sperm cells within seminiferous tubules, while the ovaries produce ova within ovarian follicles. The uterus has a specialized tissue called the endometrium, which undergoes cyclic changes to support embryo implantation. Mammary glands in the breasts produce milk after childbirth. The skin is the largest organ of the body and has multiple layers. The epidermis, the outermost layer, primarily consists of stratified squamous epithelium. The dermis, beneath the epidermis, contains various connective tissues, including collagen and elastic fibers. Subcutaneous tissue, also known as the hypodermis, provides insulation and cushioning. The skin's appendages, including hair follicles, sebaceous glands, and sweat glands, serve various functions such as thermoregulation and protection. In conclusion, histology is essential in comprehending the microscopic structure of the human body. It allows us to study cells and tissues, providing valuable insights into the organization and function of organs. This knowledge aids medical professionals in diagnosing diseases, developing treatment strategies, and advancing our knowledge of human physiology.